Hello, my name is Stephen Yee. I want to share with you a company that has created a system to help brand new insurance agents protect tons of families and help their own families too. This company is Family First Life. FFL was created in December of 2013 by agents for agents. This is our president and CEO, Sean Mike. What makes Sean different than other president and CEOs is that Sean sold insurance at a very high level and protected many families himself. Sean isn't someone who sits behind a desk and tells you what they think they should do. Sean led from the front. He was personally protecting over 800 families a year by himself and teaching a team of 40 to 50 people to do the same. His mission is to change the entire insurance industry. Sean said, "My goal is to have an army of men and women who have bigger bank accounts than any agents in the history of this industry." Now, with that in mind, let's meet some agents. Caitlin's 27. She's a single mom to agency owner who protected over 600 families in 2021. Brandon's 41. He's a former loan officer with 6 kids who protected over 40 families a month. Vivian's 41, and she's a former jewelry store owner and mom of 2. Now she's protecting over 600 families in 2021. Erica's 30. From a captive insurance agency, now she owns her insurance agency and is protecting over 40 families per month. Daniel's 34. From working in construction for 17 years to now consistently protecting over 45 families a month. You know what they all had in common? Not much. Different age, different gender, different ethnicity, education level, etc. What they do have in common is that they work at Family First Life and they love serving and protecting families. I once heard billionaire Mark Cuban say, anytime he enters an industry that has been doing the same things for many years, he does the exact opposite to disrupt the entire industry. In the last few years, there have been a handful of companies who have been able to do this. Think about how Netflix disrupted the movie rental industry. Think about how Airbnb disrupted the hotel and hospitality industry. Think about how Uber and Lyft disrupted the taxi industry. Think about how Amazon disrupted the retail industry. When it comes to insurance, I want you to think about Family First Life. When the entire industry does things one way, we do the exact opposite. This is why we're known as the Rogue IMO. We are the insurance disruptor. So you might be thinking, all right, I get it. You guys are the Rogue IMO, but show me the numbers. What have you guys done? Any chart that goes up and to the right is usually good, unless it's your weight or cholesterol levels. But let's see what the company has done in the last few years. In 2014, our first year in business, we did $22 million issue paid. 2015, 57. 2016, 81. 2017, 101 million. 2018, 164. 2019, 212 million. 2020, 325, and last year in 2021, over $600 million issue paid business. When evaluating which IMO you should put your name and reputation with, you should always evaluate these 9 things. Number 1, compensation. First of all, anyone that tells you compensation isn't important is lying. If you and I both sold the same carrier, same policy to the same clientele, but you made 2, 3, 4 times more than I did, that's bogus. Most IMOs have starting comps of 25, 35, 55% comp and max you out at a 100 or a 110. At Family First Life, our starting contract is 90% and our top comp is 145% with our mortgage protection term products with top carriers and 144% with our final expense carriers. Our compensation is easy to understand. You protect the families and you move up. We have a producer's contract and a builder's contract. Unlike most of these places where you're obligated to recruit and build an agency in order to move up, we're not like most. You can move up to 130% strictly off of personal production of the amount of families you help by yourself. For example, let's say you help 60 families a month by yourself with no teams for 2 months in a row, you can obtain a 130% commission level. The other thing is we have a or compensation plan, while most companies have a and compensation plan. What I mean is this. You can protect 40 families by yourself 2 months in a row, or you can build an agency that does 150 families protected back-to-back months to get 120% compensation. Other companies are and companies. You have to protect 40 families a month, and the team has to do 150 families a month, and you have to have 33 unique writers writing business, and we think that's crazy because they're just making it harder for you to move up. What happens if you're really good and so are the agents that you work with? You protect 40 families and teach 5 other people to do the same, but you don't have the unique writers. That sucks. So once again, producer contract, builder's contract. You get to choose how you want to move up. No funky hidden requirements. You protect the client's families by yourself or a team. You move up. Payment. How you get paid. A lot of IMOs in our industry pay you directly. That's not a good thing. Family First Life doesn't pay us. We get paid directly from the life insurance carriers, Americo, Mutual of Omaha, John Hancock, Aetna, etc. At most other IMOs, the insurance carriers pay the IMO, they take their split, they charge your fees, your leads, then they pay you. There's too many hands on the money, which is why they can pay you less. At FFL, you don't have to worry about that. You get appointed and paid directly by the insurance carriers. Number 3, bonus. Most places don't offer bonuses. At FFL, we pay bonuses on top of the commissions you receive from the carriers. We pay a monthly producer bonus to our top producers. We pay a monthly VP bonus to our top agency managers. And we also have an annual producer bonus that is paid out at our national conference. Last month alone, we paid over $3.5 million in bonus money to our agents. Now, if we didn't pay this bonus, the opportunity to have Family First Life is still great. The company can easily keep the money, but we do pay this bonus because we want to take care of our agents. Number 4, renewals. Most people don't know what renewals are. The entertainment industry is the most popular industry that has renewals. A music artist or a movie actor can make a song or a movie one time, and anytime it is played on the radio or on TV, that person gets paid again and again and again for the work they did once. In life insurance, we have renewals too. You protect the client today. 1 year from now, if the client keeps their policy, you get a small renewal every single month for the life of the policy. Now, most people in the industry don't pay renewals. Some people in our industry make you wait for your renewals. They make you wait 5 years, 7 years, or 10 years. At Family First Life, you're vested day one. What does that mean? It means that there's no waiting period. You get your renewals right away from day one. Number 5, sales method. Most IMOs ask you to work either face-to-face or virtual. We give the agent the chance to choose whichever route they want. Some of our agents choose face-to-face. Some of them choose virtual. Some of them do both. It's 100% up to you. Number 6, training. Other IMOs have people who haven't been in the field for years trying to teach you how to sell life insurance, or you have to pay top dollar for a new agent training package. Here at Family First Life, we don't believe in any of that. We have training events, boot camps, online training, all held by agents who protect 20, 30, 40, 50 plus families a month, and they teach you how to sell life insurance for free. All our training events are also free. The regional events, the monthly events, the national conference, all these events cost a ton of money to operate, but here at Family First Life, you attend those trainings for free. Number 7, leads. How you generate business is very important as well. Leads are potential clients who have filled out a form asking for help for life insurance. Most places that have leads sell you recycled leads who've been given to 10, 15, 20 other agents. Or worse yet, if they don't have leads and they ask you to make a list of your friends and family to sell insurance to, if that's your business model, you should run. You can't sell your aunt and uncle an insurance policy every week. You eventually run out of people. At Family First Life, you don't have to do that. We work with 15 to 20 lead vendors that give us exclusive programs to help you generate business. And they're able to do it with leads, specifically these types of leads. At Family First Life, we have internet leads, Facebook final expense leads, direct mail mortgage protection and final expense leads, and also mail drops for those as well. We use these leads to service these types of clients. Unlike most places where they just sell final expense or just sell mortgage protection or just sell IULs or just sell annuities, we are a full service IMO. We do it all. In mortgage protection, we help clients pay off their home in case of a death, sickness, or disability. We also have products that return their premium if they don't die. In final expense, we assist our clients with funeral and burial costs and also to help pay off any outstanding debts. In Index Universal Life, we assist our clients with creating a permanent policy with cash value to have a tax-free retirement. And in fixed index annuities, we protect our clients' nest egg in retirement. We help them protect themselves from downside risk while participating in upside gains with no fees. Number 8, being independent. At FFL, you're truly independent. Most places tell you you're independent until you try to leave. Then they hold your contract hostage for like 6 months. With FFL, we don't do that. You don't sign any contracts. You can leave whenever you choose, and we will sign a release assuming you have no debts. Some of you guys work at a place that you don't own your own business, although you think you do. Some of your insurance agents out there work for final expense companies where your clients will be graded, and we will put them in a level situation. We do what's best for our clients. When you have one option and we have 15 to 20, we put the client in the best product. We don't put the product into the client. So who are we partnered with? We have 15 to 20 carriers who are A-rated. We're also number one with Americo, Mutual of Omaha, Transamerica, John Hancock, AIG, Aetna in their life business side. We have companies who create proprietary products just for us to push in the marketplace. We have tons of selection. We're not a captive agency or a captive insurance company. Also, being an independent contractor gives you many benefits. 1099 tax benefits and access to write-offs, duplicatable franchise systems without the cost of a franchise, plug-and-play systems and structures already in place to show you how to win. And most importantly, you have unlimited income potential. When you have a salary, no matter how hard you work or how little you work, you get paid that dollar amount for that hour or for that month. Here, you get paid on performance. We have agents that do really, really well. We have agents that don't do so well. Working at Family First Life requires hard work. This isn't a get-rich-quick by any means. If you want to find a place where you can do a little bit of work and make a lot of money, this isn't for you. This is for the person who is coachable, who wants to work their tail off, and is willing to bet on themselves. Number 9, no initiation fees. Most of our alleged competitors charge you a fee to join their company. With Family First Life, we have the highest compensation. We pay high bonuses. We allow you to have your renewals from day one. We allow you to choose however you want to sell. We have tons of free trainings by top producers who are actually doing it. And we have tons of leads that make you sign no contracts. How much do you think we would charge to have people join us? $1,000? I mean, it would definitely be worth it, but most people couldn't afford it. $500? Most of our competitors charge this, but it will compete with your car payment. $250? Easily could, but we don't. You pay no money to work with Family First Life. With Family First Life, there is no initiation fees, no monthly auto ship fees, no CRM fees, any fees, nothing, no fees. And here's a bonus of working with Family First Life that we have that most IMOs do not have. It's the ability to partner with Integrity Marketing Group. Who's Integrity? Integrity is our parent company, and they're an insurtech company that provides resources and support to our agents. It's an exclusive partnership opportunity for us and our agents. Most of our agents strive to become Integrity partners by being able to build their book of business so they can sell it like any traditional business. You want to know the best part about making money is? Being able to donate money. Last year alone, Family First Life and the agents donated over $1 million alone to the Dream Center Foundation in Los Angeles. We also donated over $320,000 to Make-A-Wish Foundation in 2021. It's very important that when you get to the top, you reach back down and help others. We as a company have a servant's mentality. So as we wrap this up, we talked earlier about how training is important and you have to have proper training. We have a new agent bootcamp that will teach you everything you need to start protecting 20 families a month and more. We'll teach you how to understand the psychology of the sale. We'll have top producing agents show you how to dial the phone and what to say, what their in-home sales presentation looks like, what objections you might hear and how to overcome them, what type of leads you should buy so you can get the best bang for your buck or a quick return on your investment. We also have a training on how to select the correct products for your clients. We do all of this not for $4.99 or $2.99 or $1.99 or even $99. We do this all for free. All the training at Family First Life is free. We will help you get started fast and get you protecting families immediately. We also have a Facebook group of over 40,000 agents across the country. It's meant for us to support our fellow agents nationwide. Every Friday, we have our Family First Life next level trainings that are played there live so you can learn from the very best for free. You get to watch agents dial live on Facebook so you can see what they're saying to their clients. You get to connect with top producers across the country to learn their secrets. You also get to see the weekly submit numbers to know who's protected the most families for the week. And we have a positive environment that is conducive for success, and we recognize those who are doing a phenomenal job. So at this point, you're thinking, what do I need to do? Well, if you're not licensed, we'll help pay for your course to get started. It's usually a $200 fee, but like we talked about earlier, you don't pay any fees here at Family First Life. So we are going to cover that pre-licensing course for you as long as you schedule your exam and you become an agent with us. If you are already licensed, we will send you our carrier appointments so you can get ready to sell some insurance and protect some families. You're either an A, B, or a C. A C person says, see you later. This is not for me right now, but I will see you later because it might be for me later on. With the growth of our company, you definitely will see us later on. The B person says, I'm in, but I have some questions that I need to get answered to see if I'm a good fit. Get your questions answered by someone who is actually in this business, not your broke Uncle Bob who lays on the couch and watches TV all day and has no business or insurance experience. The A person says, I'm all in. When you said I have unlimited income potential by protecting and serving families, I'm in. Get back to the person that invited you and let them know if you're an A, B, or a C. Once again, my name is Stephen Yee. I look forward to hearing your success here at Family First Life.